Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones, the Mini Drone and the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to drones, having a good camera is essential for capturing stunning aerial footage. The Mini Drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that can be manually adjusted up to 90 degrees. This allows you to take better aerial photos and videos. It also supports FPV transmission, so you can see the live videos on the app and easily share them on social media. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone takes it a step further with its 2-axis motorized gimbal and 4K ICE camera. This combination ensures stunning and vivid footage from a bird's-eye view without any loss of details. The electric image stabilization feature further enhances the video quality. Now let's talk about flight performance. The Mini Drone is designed to be a great drone toy for kids and beginners. It features a one-key start landing button, different speed modes, and altitude hold, making it easy to control and suitable for beginners. It also has a flight time of up to 18 to 21 minutes with the included rechargeable batteries. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone is built for outdoor performance. It has powerful brushless motors and a maximum battery life of 26 minutes, ensuring stable flight and enough time to capture the perfect pictures. It also has a maximum remote control distance of 999 meters, giving you more freedom to explore. Moving on to advanced features, the Mini Drone offers multiple fun flight modes and voice gesture control. You can perform impressive 3D flips, draw flight paths on your smartphone, and even control the drone with simple voice commands. It also has 3 control modes: remote controller, app, and voice control. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone comes with a range of user-friendly features, such as headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. These functions are designed to make flying easier, especially for beginners. It also has GPS and optical flow positioning, providing safer and more stable flights. The Holy Stone drone emerged as the winner in all the categories we discussed. It offers a superior camera, impressive flight performance, and advanced features that make it a top choice for drone enthusiasts. Remember, it's important to consider your specific needs and budget when making a purchase. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy flying!